Hello everyone, today I will show you how to center an image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. I will center this image on this page. Click on this home option and select an edit option and select image and click on this image and select. Now click on this arrange option and select this align option and select align to page. Now click here this vertical center and this is horizontal center, and see this image are perfectly placed center on this page. In this way I'll center this image, select align to page, selected, and this is horizontally middle and this is vertically center. And see this, in this way you can center all of these images on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.